Welcome to TechAutopsy. This is the channel where we don't just use technology, we dissect it. We open it up, examine each layer carefully, and understand how it really works. In this playlist, we are going to start from absolute zero and building a strong foundation in artificial intelligence. Before we talk about artificial intelligence, machine learning, or ChatGPT, we need to pause and ask a very basic question. What does intelligence actually mean? Because if we don't understand intelligence, then artificial intelligence will always feels like a magic. Let me start with a simple question. A calculator can solve mathematical problem faster than any human. It never gets tired. It almost never makes mistake. So, is a calculator intelligent? Most people says no, and instinctively they are right. But let's understand why. When we talk about human intelligence, we usually mean more than just problem solving. Human can learn from experience, adapt to a new situation, reason even when information is incomplete, and apply knowledge in completely new context. This ability to generalize is extremely important. Imagine a child touching fire for the first time. Nobody gives a child a rule saying fire has high temperature, therefore avoid it. The child touches fire, then it hurts, and then the brain updates its internal model of the world. The next time, the child avoids fire, not because of a rule, but because of learned experience. This is intelligence. Now, let's bring machine into picture. Machine don't feel pain. Machine don't have instincts. Machines don't build mental model of the world. So, when we say machine intelligence, what are we really talking about? This is one of the most important ideas in this entire course. Machines do not think. Machines process information. They take an input, apply a set of operation or learned patterns, and then produce an output. There is no understanding and there is no awareness in the machine. Take Google Map as an example. You give it your current location, your destination location. Then Google Map processes the traffic data, road graphs, and historical pattern, and it outputs the fastest route. Google Map is not thinking about your journey. It is executing a very advanced optimization problem to give the shortest distance with the least traffic. A very common mistake we usually make is to mix intelligence with consciousness. Intelligence doesn't mean emotions. Intelligence doesn't mean self-awareness. Intelligence simply means solving problem effectively within constraints. Human intelligence is general purpose. A human can solve thousands of different problems. Machine intelligence is narrow. It excels at one specific task. A system trained to recognize face cannot suddenly understand language. Each capability must be learned separately. Modern AI looks intelligent because three things come together: massive amount of data, powerful hardware like GPUs, and better algorithm. This combination makes machine appear intelligent, but appearance is not understanding. Artificial intelligence is not about creating human mind. It is about creating artificial system that can solve specific problems efficiently. Once you understand this, everything else in AI starts to make sense. This was the first step in our AI Foundation playlist. In the next video, we will clearly define what artificial intelligence actually is and how it is different from normal software. If you want to understand AI deeply, not just use tools blindly, subscribe to TechAutopsy. And please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe this video. See you in next Autopsy. Thank you.